In this video, I'll quickly walk you through on how to change text color, all right, and highlight text with a different color in Google Docs mobile application. Let's just get right into it. Okay, to change text color in Google Docs for iPhone, first install the app and then after that tap on the Google Docs for it to be launched. Once the app opens, it's either you start creating blank document, which after you can change the text side, okay, by tapping on the plus sign at the bottom and select choose template or new document, okay, any of the two can go. All right, what is important is that you create your document, or better still, if you don't want to do that, maybe you have an existing document that you want to use for this, tap on it. In this case, I have an existing document, so I'll tap on that making money document. All right, so once I'm here, the next step is to tap on the pen like icon at the bottom right if your cursor is not blinking on the document already. Okay, so good, you can see my cursor have started blinking on the document. Now the next step is to select the text, all right, that you want to change its color. So I will double tap on one of the words, then I will highlight the rest that I want to change its color in this case. Then after that, tap on the A sign, all right, A with underline at the top right. Okay, these have activated some commands that I will use to complete this task. You can see text color here is not choosing. Okay, so there is no text color added. So I will tap on that text color section. All right, so I have some colors I can apply. I may decide to tap on green. So any color you want to apply, tap on it. All right, you can see the green is not fitting very well. So let me tap on red. Okay, red. All right, so I think this is fine. So once you're done with that, tap on the arrow that points back on that text color section. Okay, if you want to highlight color, highlight a text with a color, first you select the text in this case. So let's do two in one. After selecting the text, tap on the A side at the top right as well again. Then you will see highlight color, tap on it. Then what color are you highlighting the black with? Okay, let's see if we can highlight with yellow. Okay, green. All right, you can see the text have been highlighted with a different color. It's not as if we changed the color of the text, it just highlighted it because the black color of the text is still there. So once you're done, tap on the arrow that points back on the highlight color and tap out. That is tapping into the document, and tap into the document again, and we are good. Then tap on the good sign, or I call it the tick sign at the top left, and we are fine. You can exit. So these are the steps. I believe this content helps you. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button so that YouTube will recommend this video to more people. To learn more on Google Docs, consider watching this video here. Thank you and see you some other time.